Why cover your fence with a plain screen when you can keep every job site on brand? SONCO logo screens do both, privacy plus a consistent professional look. Our 90% block privacy screens show your logo clearly and keep your sites sharp from any distance. Here's how to order in just a few clicks, no design skills needed. Step 1. Visit soncostore.com, go to Fence Privacy Screens and choose the Block 90 with logo option. Step 2. Customize your screen. Choose the color, logo quantity and size, and add half-moon cuts to help with wind flow. Need one logo or two? Want 6 feet or 8 feet height? It's all up to you. Step 3. Enter the length you need, starting at 50 feet, scalable in 50 feet increments. Hit Add to Quote, and our team will handle the rest. Just send us your logo file, any format. Our design team sets up the artwork for free. Keep your job sites sharp. Keep your brand consistent. Order logo screens today at soncostore.com.